Welcome to dFix, your go-to channel for practical Excel tutorials designed for real workplace challenges. In today's video, we'll explore the fill handle, a simple yet powerful tool in Excel that can save you tons of time. Whether you need to copy data, create sequences, fill formulas, or even apply patterns, the fill handle makes repetitive tasks a breeze. Stay tuned as we dive into some real-life examples to show you how this little square can transform the way you work. Let's get started. Let me walk you through some fun and practical ways to use it. Nub 1. Copy data to adjacent cells. Need to repeat something quickly? Just place your cursor on a cell, grab the fill handle and drag. For example, if you've typed A, B, C, D in a cell, drag the fill handle and voila, it's copied to the cells below. 2. Create a series. Want to create a sequence? Easy. Enter 2 consecutive numbers, highlight them and drag the fill handle. Watch as Excel continues the pattern for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No typing required. Hack 3 fill formulas. Let Excel do the math for you. Imagine a table with columns for quantity, rate, and amount. Write a formula in the amount column to multiply the quantity by the rate and then drag the fill handle. Excel will automatically calculate for all the rows. 4. Apply patterns. Here's a cool one. Highlight a pattern of cells like a mix of bold, coloured or formatted cells and drag the fill handle. It repeats the pattern, keeping the style intact. 5. Fill dates or times. Working with dates? Let Excel make it fun. For example, if your table has columns like day, date and month, and you enter Sun 10/11/2024 and Jan, just highlight these cells, drag the fill handle and watch it complete the series beautifully. 6. Copy formatting. Got a cell that's formatted perfectly? Say it's bold, red, italic and center aligned? You can use the fill handle to copy just the formatting. Drag it with the right mouse button and select fill formatting only. The formatting gets applied without altering the data. 7. Conditional logic extension. Want to get fancy? Let's create a pass-fail system. Say you have a table with name, marks and status. In the status column, type an IF formula like this. Equal of marks 10 pass, fail. Now drag the fill handle and Excel will fill the column with pass or fail based on the marks. No more manual checking. 8. Custom lists. Here's a pro trick. If you've got a custom list like January, February or Mon2, highlight it, drag the fill handle and select fill series with the right mouse button. Excel will complete the list for you, maintaining your custom order. And that's it. Your friendly guide to the amazing fill handle. It's a lifesaver for repetitive tasks, making your work faster, smarter, and more fun. Try it out and let the fill handle do the heavy lifting for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more handy Excel tips. See you in the next video.